In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rainbow in Block Blast. So this should be a quick and easy process video. So this person found a way to get the rainbow blocks update on iOS devices. So step 1, make sure your Block Blast is updated. Step 2, make sure your iPhone or iPad is set to date. Now you can do the tutorial. First, open Block Blast, go to the Adventure tab. We are different because some are outdated. Then go to settings, date and time, then turn off set time automatically. Set the date to around January 17, then open Block Blast Adventure tab. Your screen should look different, the area's adventure mode. Now open settings again, change the date to January 25. Then your menu should be the new version and the adventure mode should also have a different version than last time. Now in classic mode, you have the rainbow blocks. Just make sure you can set the time back to automatically. It still works after. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.